So let's check out this air humidifier that was sent to me for a review. So now, even though it's so small, it can cover about a little over 200 square feet. So that's like a medium-sized room, like an office, or maybe a smaller living room. So let's unbox it and check it out. Right, so once you get the air purifier, this is actually how it looks. We're going to talk about this after. This is your on and off button together with your fan speed. So you have 3 different levels, 1, 2, and 3. The first one is the softest and the third one is the loudest, but it does clean the room faster. And then if this light goes on, it does tell you about to remind you to change the filter, and then you have an ambient light. You do have a night mode, like a sleep mode, and then a timer. This timer goes through 6, 12, and 24. So this is actually how it looks in the box. And the first thing you actually want to do is switch it over, and you do have this turn right here, and you actually want to turn it clockwise. And this is where actually you're going to find the filter and the cord. So let's go ahead and set it up. Once you get the filter, it is super easy to change. You're just simply taking the plastic off and pushing it back in. Then you're going to take this cover, line it up, and then you want to turn it anti-clockwise to lock. Once you hear that click, you know that it's locked. Now that we have that set up, we can go ahead and plug this in. This little knob right here, you can actually raise this part and you can put aromatherapy smells so that while you're actually cleaning out the air in your room, you can actually go ahead and put aromatherapy so you have a nice smell going, which I absolutely love. Okay, so let's turn it on and see how loud it actually is. As you can tell, you do have that ambient light. You can't actually hear it, it's quite soft. And you can kind of hear it a little louder now. Okay, and this one sounds more like a fan. Like if you had a smaller fan blowing, that's what it does sound like. So if I wanted to take the ambient light off, I can simply press this button right here. And if I want to turn it on, I can go ahead and turn that on. And of course you have the sleep mode. So the sleep mode obviously is going to be much quieter. And then it's also going to take off the ambient light so that it's not going to disturb you. And then of course you have each of the 3 timers, so you don't have to remember to take it off. But let's go ahead and put some aromatherapy on this. This is what the pad looks like. It's perfect, the right size for the drops. You go ahead and put a few drops there, and that's it. This air purifier, I've noticed that you don't have to change the filter as often. You can probably change it every 6 months depending on use. Safe for kids and pets, so even if you have pets, it is still safe with how it is designed. Question about it is if it is energy efficient, and actually as it operates so quietly, it actually uses a minimal amount of energy when running, even if it's continuous. So you won't actually see a significant increase in your electricity bill or anything like that. So this is a really cost-effective air purifier if you did want to use it.